what's up guys? My name is Van, aka Side Hustle Addict, driving a Dashing Trader to the airport, and me and Dashing Trader had a conversation. He has a lot of good tips and tricks for new tubers or YouTubers or anything. Please check out my interview in the car with Dashing Trader, fam. Alright guys, today I got my boy Dashing Trader. What kind of advice you have for new GigTubers or any kind of YouTuber, bro?
Oh, that's a great question. So look, first thing I got for you guys, if you're brand new to YouTube and content creation, you want to make sure you engage in with your community, right? Answer all the comments. Make sure you leave a like and a heart, and if you can, leave a response back to that comment, because that's going to show the first amount of people that view your channel that you really engage. That would be the first tip I give to you. Second of all is work at your own pace. You know, you don't want to be overwhelmed and over consumed with the need to upload a video at a certain time. Do it at your own pace and do it when you're ready to, but make sure you always hit that record button.
Alright guys, before we get on with the interview with Dashing Trader, speaking of trading, all my stock traders, investor, crypto traders, please sign up for WeBull using my link below in the pinned comments or in my channel's description. If you sign up for WeBull and deposit $100, you get up to 12 fractional shares from WeBull, value up to $3,000. For the people that don't know what WeBull is a stock trading app, commission free. It has a 4.7 rating out of 290,000 ratings, 4.7 on the App Store. I've been with WeBull for over a year. As a content creator, I get $60 for every sign up I get, and WeBull's been around for a minute. Another one of my side hustle is affiliate marketing. So I've got 24 WeBull sign ups since I've been promoting WeBull. That's roughly $1,500. So if you sign up and deposit $100, you get up to 12 fractional shares, value up to $3,000. Or you can invest as little as $5 with WeBull. And if you don't have enough money to buy one share, you can buy fractional shares from WeBull. And they also have ETFs and 401k and options. But I'm a long-term guy when it comes to investing. Thank you WeBull for sponsoring this channel. Now let's get back to the interview with me and Dashing Trader. And oh yeah, don't forget to smash a like, subscribe, ring the bell, fam. Thanks for watching. Let's get back to the video. All right, second question. How long should a video be? Yeah, for a YouTube video, on a long video. What do you recommend?
Long video? No, that's actually a super great question. I like that one. When it comes to long form content, I like to typically, for myself, I like to break it up into two categories. You know, informative or entertainment. When it's informative, I like to make the video as long as it needs to be. Sometimes that may mean it's a 10-minute video, but when it comes to entertainment, you gotta give it to them quick. So if you're giving entertainment value, you wanna be doing quick transitions, cutting to different scenes quick, and you wanna make that video as short as possible to get the most engagement in the shortest amount of time.
The next question is the good one. What was your thought process behind that super viral TikTok video of you confronting the DoorDash non-tipper, bro?
You ever heard of no tip, no trip? Non-tipper orders sit for long. It was a no tip order.
It was at this moment.
I take all the bad orders. You hungry?
Yeah.
I got you, man. I love it. Look, my thought process behind fronting non-tippers was like, well, do the customer actually know how much we get paid? Do they know that the service fees and delivery fees that they pay on each and every single order, do they know we only get $2 for that? I don't think they do. Well, you know what? That's okay, because I'm gonna make it my responsibility to inform them and educate them on how the pay structure is and the business model overall works out for DoorDash. Now, a lot of customers didn't like that, but that's okay, because they became more educated, and now the community as a whole, no tip, I sip, no tip, no trip.
You heard it right. No
Yes,
tip,
sir.
I sip. Yeah, like that video's all over the news. This DoorDash customer only tip $1. Let's see what he got at Arby's, huh? Well, it's got the beef and cheddar. He's got the French dip and the crinkle fries. Oh man, that's my favorite. Thank you, $1 tipper. Peace. Most recent one was nice house for a $5 tip.
Oh man. Oh man. I wonder how many miles he drove on that.
That I don't know, but well, I'm gonna ask Dashing Trader about that. So saw that video, right?
Oh yeah,
nice
absolutely.
house for a $5 tip.
Being as I'm one to in the past confront non-tipping customers, I really can't have too much criticism, but I do have a couple questions. How many miles were on that delivery? And if this were you, would you confront a customer and curse them out over actually giving you a tip? Or would you be more concerned about not getting a tip at all? I'm not saying that $5 for 10 miles is something that I would ever take, but I'm curious to know how many miles was on that order. It was a pizza order. If it was a couple miles, I think that was
$20 pizza.
It was $20 pizza, a couple miles, I think that's appropriate. But if that was a 10-mile order and you got 10-mile round trip back, I don't know, maybe I'd have been a little mad too.
Personally, I think he shouldn't say anything. He had the option to decline the order if he didn't like the pay. Yeah. All right, the next question for my dude. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now, Dashing Trader?
Creating content on a daily basis, informing the community on the trends and things that are changing in the gig economy, but also providing financial insight into the stock market and into stock options. I just recently partnered with Moves Financial, so it's gonna be a lot of things happening here on the Dashing Trader FDA channel coming soon.
And I'm marketing, baby.
Yes, sir. Like, we leveling up over here. Van know all about it. This the man of 15 sponsors right here, but I'm working my way up there, so I'm not finna lie. You know, we finna have a lot of new exciting things going on. And in 5 years,
not quite 15, but I'm slowly catching up. Same here. I told you guys a long time ago I was gonna slowly merge into the finance niche, kind of like my boy Graham Stephan.
Alrighty, so now for this segment, I'm gonna ask Side Hustle Addict some questions, because I got some stuff that's been on my mind that I need some answers to. And damn it, I got some questions and we need some answers. So, how does it feel to be the most viral DoorDasher?
My first viral one was the Hide the Money Y'all sound from the Dave Chappelle. It was just, basically it's just a TikTok video of showing like all the DoorDash non-tippers orders that sit there for hours. I didn't start eating the DoorDash non-tipper until like a year ago. In real life, nobody recognizes me, so I'm still trying to work on my long form videos. But
how does it feel to get a great bump in subscribers in a short amount of time? Now, we know you put in the hard work, putting out them shorts, putting out that long form content, but how do you manage, you know, navigating, growing your channel with so much substantial growth? Because I mean, I remember you was at 20,000 and you like at 30 something thousand now, right? I mean, that's
been running YouTube ads, that helps, and my shorts help, my live stream helps, but in the beginning it takes money to make money. It is very hard to grow in this niche, but you gotta do something different. You gotta be entertaining, and I guess you gotta keep it real. Yeah, you gotta keep it real.
Well said, well said.
And this video is being edited by my boy Dashing Trader. Hit him up on his channel. Hit him in the DM or something. Hit him up on his channel. He does the whole editing work on this video. So check him out if you need a video editor. Shout out to my dude Dashing Trader.